going to review the Zetatop. Found this on Amazon for $19.99. It's for the iPad 2018 version. This is my first time owning an iPad myself. So we're actually going to do two things. We'll go through an unboxing of what I received from Comcast. The deal that I got from Comcast was had to be a triple play subscriber, and with that you were able to get an iPad 9.7 2018 version for $5 a month for the next 2 years, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Once again, just something that I could use. My job requires me to take notes in the field, so I wanted something, so instead of carrying this notebook around about this same size, that's why we have this instead. So I'm going to take it out, see what it looks like. So looking on the inside, got your paperwork, instructions, foam, and your silica gel. Remember, kids, don't eat this. Has an edge around it to sort of protect the edge of the iPad. The biggest thing out, the other nice thing is the pencil holder. That's what I wanted to have to make sure that I didn't lose that $100 pencil. And there's also a strap too, I believe, that you put your hand through while holding it. Seems well put together. Nice material. We'll see what the iPad looks on the inside. You can see almost the same size. Actually, it is the same size. Cool. So it's going to fit perfect inside of the backpack while we're traveling as well. So I don't think I'm going to have too much of an issue. So I'll go ahead and start unboxing the iPad. Ready to unbox. Basically touting their on-the-go service, getting you to use their service similar to what DirecTV has. And there's your iPad. And if we decided we don't want it, we can send it back. So let's open this baby up. You can see the version. The one that they give you free is 32 gigs, which I'll be receiving that as well since I'm a new customer. But I didn't think that was enough for what I wanted to do, making videos or even from a work standpoint. So I'll be getting that one as well, but this one will be my daily driver. As I said, I'm a die-hard Android user, so I do have an iPhone for work. Which I don't really like, but generally use a Note fanboy. That's why I usually take notes with my Note. But sometimes it's with the screen being not as big as what it should, and standing in the field oftentimes makes it a little bit more difficult. So hopefully a bigger screen will make it a lot easier. iPad. You have the iPad itself. Throw it. Oh, no, we're not going to do that. Charging cable and power brick. One thing about Samsung and Apple is they have nice packaging. They present very well, as they should with the price. Instructions, don't really care. All right, let's see how this baby fits. Sound of fresh tech. Those that like that, love that smell. All right. Should be pretty simple, straightforward, plug and play. Snaps into place. Focus isn't going in the way I want it. So it fits nicely inside of there. Another feature that it has as well is the ability to take that strap that was on the back and wrap it around to keep the lid closed is one. And I believe the description on Amazon stated that this was automatic wake on open. I don't have the iPad charged up. Again, like I said, I'll make another video of my actual usage of this product, but it appears all good right now, so very happy with it. Happy with the build quality. Said for 20 bucks, can't really beat it. The weight of this is a little heavier than the paper version, or the analog version I should say, but for what I'm getting out of this compared to that, it's worth it. So even though it might add a little bit more to my weight in my backpack, I think it'll be okay. I think I can manage. So this is in its various watching or viewing modes, so you can adjust accordingly. Basically two viewing angles that you can use in the open position. I'm sure I wouldn't want to drop it from a major distance though, but like I said, I believe with the handle in the back, it'll make it very easy to take notes, especially with the stylus on the side there. And then, as I said, the main reason to get this was to eliminate the analog style, to where now I can do my OneNote and sync it right back to my computer automatically, or if I take pictures with my phone in OneNote and transfer those over automatically, I can then take my hand notes after the transfer onto the iPad. So I think it's going to be a good driver for me. I think it'll work. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll also make a follow-up video on when I get the pencil and add that to the setup as well, and then what my thoughts are related to taking notes on it as a professional or from a professional standpoint. Thanks for watching.